Adding a Tradingview chart in the Groww app is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, you need to have the Tradingview app installed on your device. Tradingview is available for both iOS and Android devices. You can download it from the respective app stores. Once you have installed Tradingview, open the app and customize the charts according to your preferences. You can select different financial instruments, timeframes, indicators, and drawing tools to analyze the market and make informed investment decisions. Use the Tradingview charts to analyze the performance of stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex pairs, or other assets that you are interested in. Utilize technical analysis tools and chart patterns to identify potential entry and exit points for your trades or investments. As Groww and Tradingview are separate apps, you will need to switch between them to execute your trades or investment transactions. Use the information and insights gained from Tradingview charts to inform your investment decisions on Groww. Once you have analyzed the market using Tradingview, open the Groww app and navigate to the section where you can buy or sell mutual funds or other investment products. Follow the steps within the Groww app to execute your desired trades or investment transactions based on your analysis from Tradingview. After making your investments through Groww, you can continue to monitor and manage your portfolio within the Groww app. Regularly review the performance of your investments, adjust your portfolio as needed, and stay informed about market trends using tools like Tradingview.